Ah!
Okay, come on, Deputy. I forgot
We're missing
your
one.
name.
We're
I'm
missing
Deputy Racist.
Corporal John.
We're missing the sheriff. We're missing the sheriff.
Where's Corporal John? Who are you, soldier? What is your name?
I'm Sergeant Nene.
I am Deputy Racist. You will follow me.
Focus, fat lord.
No, fat lord. What?
Oh my God.
There's a bitch here. It's a girl.
You can't enter. Lock down the area, boys.
Literally the cow.
All right, boys, let's fan out. I got the Bible. Everyone praise the Holy Bible.
Everyone praise the Lord. Everyone
Praise the Bible. She's got a weapon. She's got a weapon. She's got a weapon.
Deaf person. Shut the fuck up.
Monkey
Hey,
force.
shut up, bitch. Don't speak to my homeboy like that.
She's got a weapon. Oh, it's a murder. It's Barkley. Oh, let me out. Let me out.
Corporal John,
Let me out. Let me out.
Oh, Sarge.
A few others died for.
Best friends. Wait, better.
How many people died? How many of you died?
We had too many
I
casualties.
grabbed the gun
I know
and
he was
said,
alive.
Right.
I stayed alive. Did you survive? Corporal John hid in the
I
bathroom.
died. I grabbed the gun and
Corporal
said,
John.
Barkley, do you know your rights?
Don't worry, guys. We got the lube. We got the power of a lube on our side.
We gotta play this out like actual cops. We gotta ask that.
We got lube and we got
Everyone
banging.
Everybody was getting crowded in that bathroom. Like, oh, this is 3 kills.
Freaking fracking your shit.
Everybody started screaming. It was scary.
Fuck you.
No.
Oh, wait.
Come
I
on,
keep hearing
Sarge.
your name. What's up?
You fat lord, I found him. Something funny, Sarge. So funny.
Deputy Fat I found him.
I found him, Deputy Fat
Oh, don't
Lord.
shut the door. And you're an idiot. I'm trying to walk
sorry,
through the
Sarge.
door.
I found
That's
Deputy
human
Fat-
trafficking. We gotta arrest this man. He's a human trafficker.
Who's human
We gotta
trafficking?
arrest
That's
him.
illegal.
That was not me. That was not
That's
me.
illegal. Barkley, you're under arrest.
Wait, where's Johnson? Where's
He told me to
Johnson?
get on the pole. I don't know.
Is Johnson alive?
He told me to get on the
Answer
pole.
or you're getting
Hell
lubed
no.
up.
Hey, sorry.
Johnson! It's Corporal Johnson.
Yeah, Johnson.
Answer or you're getting lubed. We got all the
I feel like
lube.
all of our names should be like
he
winger
said.
jokes.
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know
shove it
what
up
we're
your
doing, but
ass.
you're gonna get.
I don't
We're
know
gonna shove
about
the whole
that, but we're
container
gonna
up
lube
your
them up.
ass.
I don't know about that,
I don't know
but we're
about
doing Get him, boys. Come on, boys. Let's go. Boys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move.
You can't avert the law forever.
Keep up, Sarge.
Get him! Don't let him escape!
Come
Tackle him,
on,
bite
Sarge.
his
Keep
ass.
up.
Lube.
Why
My
does
lube's
that-
gone. Lube.
Lock the door before
There
you
he is.
get out.
Lube.
Let it in. I'm
Lock the
locking
door. Lock the door.
It's locked.
It's locked.
We're stuck
Where'd he
in
go?
here thus
He
far.
got through. He got through. Open up. No, you locked it.
Get him.
Go.
No.
Police are coming after me.
Keep it locked.
We lost Deputy Fat Lord.
No, Deputy Fat
He's
Lord.
on high. You have a gun pointed at you. If you open that.
Oh, wait, what is going on here?
Where's Deputy Fat Lord?
Deputy Fat Lord.
Deputy Fat Lord.
Where's Deputy Fat Lord?
Where's Sergeant? He's right there.
Oh, there he is.
Wait, where'd he go? There he is.
Inappropriate
He's-
places.
We should lock down someplace with multiple exits, like right here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Come on. No, boys, no.
No.
No, you idiot.
No.
Come
Johnson.
on, come on,
I don't think
Banana,
the
we're getting in
Bible
the
inside this
closet.
one, Chief.
Come on.
Lock the other door.
There you go. You're fine.
No, Johnson's over there.
Oh no.
Where's
Don't worry,
Fat
man, I got
Lord?
the Bible.
Deputy Foreskin, I got you.
Oh, sorry, I was praying.
No, is that
Oh, okay.
Deputy Fat Lord?
Oh, that's Deputy Fat. Wait, where is Deputy Fat Lord?
Yo, where's Fat Lord at? Is Fat Lord dead?
Good one.
No!
We lost Fat Lord, boys.
Fat Lord, where are you at?
I'm trying to fix you. Stop moving.
We gotta go on. We gotta go on out.
We gotta find Fat Lord.
Fat Lord. Ah, you're not Fat Lord.
Is he in here?
You can come out of the closet, Fat Lord.
Deputy
It's
Fat
okay.
Lord?
Oh, he's not. He's not in here.
Yeah, he's.
Where's Sarge?
He's in the corner. He's in the corner. He looks like he's been like sexually abused. Where did he go?
No. I am not gonna be in closet with the monkeys. No, I'm sorry,
Hey,
but no.
that's racist.
Fat Lord, please.
Please let us out.
Let us out,
Let us out, Fat Lord. We got lube for you.
Oh, my God!
Fat Lord.
No!
I got lube for you, Fat Lord.
Fat Lord.
Come on, Sarge.
The other way. I thought the door opened the other way.
Lock the door.
No, watch out! No!
Keep it locked.
Food.
Keep it locked.
Now, this is where we start shooting at each other. Where's Fat Lord?
Door just got open and
Fat
closed.
Lord hasn't wandered.
Rainbow Lady,
Okay, don't shoot anyone. Don't
please
shoot
hand
anyone.
over
Don't shoot
the
anyone.
pistol
Listen,
to the
if you drop
authorities.
the gun-
Bitch, no, you no,
If you drop
no,
the-
shut up. This is a woman of a.
This proves
Damn it.
that proves my innocence. I had it picked up.
Drop the
twice.
gun. Where'd it go?
But
Where'd it go? Hand over the weapon to the proper authorities. Monkey Force, Monkey Task Force.
Let Johnson take it. Let Johnson
I'm not.
pick it up.
I'm Nene.
Johnson gets to
Oh.
pick the gun?
No, like the monkey.
Oh.
Where'd
Oh,
Fat
it's
Lord
gonna
go?
work, Sarge.
Fat Lord's missing again.
Fat Lord has a wandering problem. Keep an eye on.
Open up, Fat Lord.
That's ah!
Where have you been at?
Yeah, I got some
Close the door.
lube. No, no.
Fat Lord's still alive.
Oh my god.
Fat Lord's still alive.
She stole the gun and locked me in the room. She stole the weapon from me. She stole the weapon from me.
Bet you one of them's gonna
Which
kill you.
female was it?
It was the stupid looking one.
None.
I swear that I am
The
not.
stupid looking one stole it from me.
The killer.
They all look stupid.
Don't worry.
Considering one of them wearing a cow outfit.
It's the one with the stupid looking headband.
They're so desperate for that damn.
They all look fucking stupid. One of them has a fucking cow outfit on.
We just lock yourself in this room.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Fat Lord is the murderer.
There's one of them over there.
Yep.
Fat Lord.
Yeah, I've narrowed it down to him.
No. It can't be true.
Who wants VRChat Plus?
Excuse me.
Who wants VRChat Plus?
I want lube.
Hi.
I already have it.
What the fuck?
Fucker.
Lube tastes great. It tastes like gulp.
Ew. Isn't lube just like Vaseline? No.
No.
It's something you drink. It's like orange juice. Deputy
Wait, what?
Fat Lord.
Get away from
Deputy-
me.
Who's the
killer?
Stay away.
Deputy Fat Lord, he's standing right next to you. Shoot him.
He's the.
Yeah.
Wait, let me. I believe you
That
guys.
monster.
He's the murderer.
Deputy
Please
Fat.
help. Please help. Please help. Leave me alone. I don't want to know what lube is.
Yes.
I'll tell you what it is.
Lube tastes like milk.
Yeah.
We'll give you lessons to come back.
Then, but me and Deputy
You
Fat
can
Lord
get
were
drunk
locked.
on it.
I need to know that lube goes on a penis.
I don't think it's Deputy Fat.
Why am I hearing that lube is going on penises in the other room?
I didn't need to know that lube goes on a penis. I did not
Find
need
a
to
gun
know
to
that.
shoot
What
someone,
is going
please.
on?
Like,
Come on, Sarge.
Get in here right
hey,
now.
Tynell, can I
You
be
stay out there, Johnson.
Can I come back in?
No, I don't trust you.
We're missing Deputy Fat Lord.
I don't want to talk about this.
There's a kniffy. There's a kniffy.
Everyone is just.
There's a kniffy.
Everyone stay on this side. Everyone stay in this corner. Stay in this corner.
Hey, monkeys! Who wants to die?
Hey!
No!
Hey!
Who the fuck wants to die? Hello, how you doing there, pal?
It's him. Shoot him. Shoot
We
him.
get shot first. We get shot
It's him.
first.
He's
We
right
get
next to the
shot
knife. Shoot him. Shoot him.
12.
Shoot him.
Shoot any of the monkeys, my man.
It's Corporal Johnson. Shoot him. Him,
Shoot him.
yes.
Deputy Fatlord, where have you been?
Shoot.
Where have you been, Deputy
You have to
Fatlord?
do it.
OJ
I agree. Shoot him. Yes.
That's
what he wants to do. Shoot. Shoot him.
What are you guys doing in here? Her legs are open. You guys have lube. What are you guys doing?
Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. The link to the Discord is in the description below, so if you'd like to check it out, that would be greatly appreciated. See you guys next time.